Okay, so in this case here, part A, we're asked to determine the height of the post. Okay, so if you read the question there, okay, that's what they want, and the post there is in the diagram, and we're told that the angle here, this angle of elevation, if you like, that's the angle of elevation because you're looking up to the top of the post, so you're elevating the angle there to be 67, and we've got the ground there to be 15. So we've got a right angle triangle, and we can use SOHCAHTOA, okay, in this instance again. So let's label the side H, okay, because it's opposite the right angle. So that's your H there, longer side, hypotenuse. And then of course then your O is there because it's opposite the angle that's given. And then finally then your adjacent. Adjacent of course is next to both angles. So in this case I want to work out O, don't I? That's what the question is asking for, the height of the post, and they're giving me A. Okay, so in that case there it's going to be tan, isn't it? Okay, because O and A, TOA, tan, right? So tan of the angle, that's 67, will equal then, well if we go in that order, over A, O, which is the height of the post, so we'll just call it O, divide by A then, okay, so go in that order, O divided by A, and A is 15. So to get then O, to get that opposite, you're dividing by the 15, so we take the 15 over and we'll multiply. So 15 times tan 67, dividing it, so you take it over and the opposite is multiplied, and then that will give you then the opposite side. So 15 times tan 67, that comes out to be 35.3, okay, so we can then make a little statement at the end, height of post is equal to 35.3 meters, okay. Okay, right, so part B then, this is a ladder, 21 meters long, is placed against the vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 13 meters from the wall on horizontal ground. Calculate the angle which the ladder makes with the horizontal. So in this case, we really do need a sketch, okay? So when you think of the wall to start with, well, a wall is always vertical, isn't it? Okay, let me tell you that, don't I, there. And then when you think about a ladder, when it's against a wall, it's at an angle, isn't it? It's like that, isn't it? Something like that, okay? So we're told that the ladder is 21 meters long, yeah? Okay, that's the length of the ladder. It's placed against the vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 13 meters from the wall on horizontal ground. So there's the foot of the ladder, the bottom of the ladder, and that's 13 meters away from the wall, so that's 13 meters. Calculate the angle which the ladder makes with the horizontal. So we want this angle here. The angle that the ladder, it says, makes with the horizontal. Well, that's the horizontal there. So what angle does it make with the horizontal? Okay, so the angle of elevation, in effect, here. So what angle? Well, we call it angle X, shall we? Okay, and then we can use SOHCAHTOA, right? That's possible because, of course, this is a right angle, isn't it? Yeah, vertical wall, horizontal ground, vertical and horizontal meet at right angles. So label the sides, that's going to be my H, hypotenuse, this is opposite the right angle, longest side. Then we can have O here, because that's opposite the angle, okay, and then adjacent here, of course. Alright, so then, two sides I'm going to use are A and H, hope you can see that there straight away. A and H, because those two sides are given to me. And A and H is CAR, isn't it? Cos. So, cos of X is equal to then A over H, so 13 over 21. Okay? And then we can, as I said, follow that order, A over H, and then to get X then, remember when you want to get the angle, you've got to get rid of this cos. So you take the cos over to the other side, but you do cos inverse, cos to the minus 1. Okay, and there's, you usually calculate, just be careful, if you can't see it, it's where the buttons are, but you've got to press shift first. Shift cos, you'll see it above in yellow, cos to the minus 1, and then if you press the fraction button, you can type that in straight away. So 13 there, press the replay button down, 21 here, press the replay button across, close the bracket, and you've got your answer then. So X is equal to 51 point, and I'd go to one decimal place because there's a 5 there, I'd round that up to an 8, 51.8. Of course, it's in degrees, isn't it?